Hello, what's going on everyone? In today's video, I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and the question is, in which US city did the term Black Friday originate? Well, I'll give you the answer for this question, and after that, I'll provide you with a short explanation about the answer, and the correct answer for that question is Philadelphia, and here is a bit more information about the answer. The term Black Friday was first introduced in Philadelphia in 1966 uh, by the city's police department to depict the disorder stemming from extensive traffic jam, car collisions, and crowded pathways during the post-Thanksgiving shopping rush. Presently, the phrase is commonly associated with a period when retailers start making profit, transitioning from financial losses in the red to gains in the black. From 2006 onwards, Black Friday events have sadly led to 17 fatalities and 125 injuries. Well, now, yeah, the term of Black Friday means something good. The shopping day, the great shopping day. So that is the correct answer for the question, Philadelphia.
Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Click this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others. Right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.